Isn't show? The Ahéhee nahashni.
Sin juno na hinchni bazulne.
Yeah. Oh hey! Hello, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we have a special guest with us today, Navajo Nation President Dr. Buu Van Nygren.
Ahéhee.
Ahéhee. Ndzit'iígíí. I see Ahéhee. ndzit'iíí.
Shiro bashilno horenaniya.
Yeah. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say skateboard. To say skateboard in Navajo, you say Tsineeshjíí ndzit'iíí.
Tsineeshjíí ndzit'iíí.
Tsineeshjíí describes a piece of wood that is cut into a board. Ndzit'iígíí describes something that speeds around quickly with wheels, like a skateboard. So you can also use this word to say skater. To say skater in Navajo, you say Tsineeshjíí ndzit'iígíí.
Tsineeshjíí ndzit'iígíí.
So Tsineeshjíí, of course, means the board. Bith means with it. Ndzit'iígíí describes the rider riding with the skateboard. To use this word in a sentence, you can say Buu Van Nygren likes to skateboard. To say that in Navajo, you say Buu Van Nygren Tsineeshjíí ndzit'iíí ayo ndzit'iíí.
She ayo Tsineeshjíí ndzit'iígíí ayo ndzit'iíí.
You can also use this word to say Leigha is a good skater. To say that in Navajo, you say Leigha Tsineeshjíí ndzit'iígíí yikadon dilnata.
Ani ayo yikadon dilnata.
Oh, yikadon dilnata means she's very flexible on that board. Right, exactly. And that is today's Navajo word of the day. Tsineeshjíí ndzit'iígíí.
Tsineeshjíí ndzit'iíí.
Skateboard. Or Tsineeshjíí ndzit'iígíí. Skater. Ahéhee. Ndzit'iíí.
Bia.
Digit out shikains wadigi.
Shiro Ahéhee ndeshtir. Anéhee juno nkhizad nebevenan khindon juno indahol ahto ayat juno abahazino kisin no ne Ahéhee dodesh.
And you have a nice day.